Lengaki Thabak Touba Khakta Nattana Meepum Khudingmak National Pension Scheme gi Khudongchaba Louba Yare haina Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA ge Assistant General Manager Ruby Vinayak Vausagar Nana Fongdorakli ngasi Indian Chamber of Commerce ICC amadi Central Lengaki Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA na punna senduna National Pension Scheme NPS ki matagda awareness camp interaction program ama classic hotel da pangthokre thoram aduda ICC ki General Secretary Bikendrajit Akoijam PFRDA ke Assistant General Manager Ruby Vinayak Vausagar Manipur Lenga ki Trade Commerce and Industries ki Director Rangnamai Rang Peter PFRDA ki Manager Nisant Anand Lenga ki Department Sing amadi Industry Association Singi Mute Sing amadi Financial Practitioner Sing nasu sarukyaki thoram aduga mari leinana Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA ge Assistant General Manager Ruby Vinayak Vausagar na fongdorakpada India da pension ge khudongchaba si lenga ki thabak touba khakta da fanglami adubu kumja lisingani mapan dagi private sector da thabak touba sing corporate da thabak touba sing farmer trader self-employed amadi Meepum Khudingmak da NPS retired scheme gi khudongchaba fangba yare lenga ki thabak tawrambadagi entrepreneur oirakpa natraga startup ama hodok labasu NPS adumak lengdana leiba yai Atal Pension Yojana sisu unorganized sector amadi leita laira subscriber singda yamna kanaba piba scheme amane multiple scheme framework MSF Swasthya Pension Scheme Kumba Anoba NPS singdadi investment tawbugi mawong pension fund khanba amadi corpus ki matangda decision pumba subscriber masana lepsabagi khudongchaba leire haiki
India, until now, the traditional pension systems were limited only to the government employees, and the vast majority of other, our population, like the private sector employees, the corporate employees, the self-employed traders, small-time traders and farmers, they lacked any kind of structured retirement savings scheme. So NPS was launched by the government of India in 2004 for the government employees, and in 2009 it was decided to extend this to everybody else. So all citizens of this country can now have an NPS. So NPS is a retirement. Essentially, it is a retirement savings scheme, and it is a very good product. It is low cost, it is portable, meaning today you are into a government job, tomorrow you want to shift to a private job, or say you are in a private job and tomorrow you want to become a entrepreneur, you want to have a startup. So NPS remains with you all the time. It is flexible in a way that you are the one who makes a choice as to which pension fund you want, and you can always take a call with respect to the investment decisions with regard to the NPS.